Artificial intelligence is no longer a fabrication for the future, but a truth of the present. It is employed in making intelligent decisions, also providing a means of accomplishing tasks in the fastest ways possible. However, one thing to note is that the benefits of AI as a money-making weapon is an area that is just beginning to get tapped into. The rich are said to have multiple sources of income, and the poor have multiple sources of debt. An opportunist sees opportunity in all things, including AI, so it is advisable to be a rich opportunist when it comes to maximizing AI for financial gain. AI tools can be best described as an asset. These tools are expected to assist in all major developments and completely change the way things are done today. Users need to understand the benefits of AI. These tools are useful because they can take care of predefined tasks while humans are responsible for the decision-making. These tools not only help you develop, but also make significant contributions to optimizing networks and workflows. Artificial intelligence is a powerful technology and a force multiplier. It does things faster, smarter, and more efficiently. The truth is that AI works best when paired with legitimate business ideas and good old-fashioned hard work. Let's dive into artificial intelligence that can serve as an instrument to accumulate riches in 2024. We will begin with an AI tool used by songwriters and musicians, which is Lyric Studio. This versatile AI tool helps in creating distinct lyrics suitable for any music genre from rap to blues, etc. Just select a topic. This tool presents a range of lyric choices through its suggestion feature. Lyric Studio assists in selecting rhymes for peculiar words for musicality purposes. Just because a song without rhymes might sound disorganized, right? The function of this AI is limitless. It analyzes lyrics and suggests matching phrases and melodies that suit the style and emotions of your song. Lyric Studio pinpoints your strengths and areas that need improvement, like songwriting, receiving insightful guidance and feedback to shape and refine your individual musical expression. This tool syncs with music composition softwares, helping combine lyrics with melodies to ensure they fit together perfectly. As a songwriter, you can market your song online ghostwriting. A songwriter often agrees with a percentage of song royalties, so when artists are paid for a number of streams, you get paid as well. Another AI you should pay attention to is Midjourney, a generative AI tool created and hosted by San Francisco-based independent research lab, Midjourney Inc. It generates images from natural language descriptions regarded as prompts. Users create artwork using Discord bot commands. Prompts can be generated through simple or complex terms. Midjourney then generates a variety of images based on the prompt, and the user can choose the one they like best. It is used to create a wide variety of images, including photorealistic images, paintings, illustration, sculptures, and 3D models. You can turn Midjourney to a money-making instrument by selling custom art prints through platforms like Printful, Printify, T-Launch, and Redbubble. Venturing into self-publishing is, however, an exciting opportunity by using platforms like Amazon and eBay to reach a wider audience. Next is Surfer SEO, a cloud-based on-page optimization tool that allows users to analyze and compare users' own pages against what currently ranks on the SERPs. This AI tool offers its users a data-driven analysis of exactly what is missing from pages and websites. Surfer SEO can build a useful model of what search engines want to see on a specific query. It provides an array of tools to help users research keywords, analyze SERPs, and optimize your site overall. It helps with more complex tasks like link building and technical SEO. This is a profitable opportunity for entrepreneurs because there is a high demand for SEO services and surprisingly few qualified practitioners. SEO specialists can use AI tools to increase productivity. SEO for your own website helps to generate more traffic and revenue. Now we have Copy.ai, an AI-powered tool that generates high-quality content in seconds. It uses machine learning algorithms to create unique and engaging content that can be used for various purposes such as social media, blogs, advertisements, emails, social media content, web copy, and more. It was built on OpenAI's GPT-3 large language model, LLM. Copy AI provides various tools and writing frameworks. It is available in more than 25 languages. Users can easily generate content for any topic with a simple interface and excellent tools. This tool can also be a money-making tool through content creation. The easiest way to earn money using Copy.ai is offering content creation services. You can offer your services on freelancing platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, or create your own website to showcase your services. Copy.ai also has an affiliate program that allows you to earn money by referring new users to the platform. You can sign up for the program and share your unique referral link on your website, social media, or other platforms. When someone signs up for Copy.ai using your link, you will earn a commission on their subscription fee. Next is Synthesia, one important tool that continues to be a top artificial intelligence video generator tool. This tool offers a user-friendly approach to crafting high-quality videos. It caters to businesses seeking training or marketing materials, educational institutions producing instructional content, and individuals creating videos for personal or professional use. It creates personalized videos with different avatars, voices, and messages. Synthesia utilizes AI to transform the text into videos, eliminating the need for self-recording or hiring actors. It is proficient in over 120 languages, enabling smooth video translation. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok remain powerful platforms for video distribution, as users can leverage on the massive audiences as a source of traffic. One profitable approach to monetizing Synthesia-created videos is through affiliate marketing or CPA, cost per action, marketing, by partnering with affiliate marketing platforms like Digistore24. Also, if this video content meets YouTube's monetization requirements, users can enable advertisements on their videos and earn revenue through ad impressions and clicks. Another exciting AI to look out for is Divi AI, is an integrated AI tool within Divi Builder that empowers WordPress users to create spectacular images, write fantastic content, and improve their websites using artificial intelligence. The tool uses AI to grasp the website's context, enabling it to produce engaging, SEO-friendly content customized for particular pages, ultimately supporting efficient and effective content creation. It provides real-time feedback and suggestions, guiding users on improving website elements, ensuring content relevance, and maintaining audience engagement. It utilizes AI algorithms to auto-generate high-quality, relevant images, assisting users in creating visually striking content without the need for external graphic design tools. Companies need to build and maintain websites if they want to succeed. A well-designed website can attract more visitors, keep them on the site longer, and convert them into customers. That's where professionals with the right tools can swoop in and solve a need. This AI tool sought to create the best visual editing experience in WordPress. WordPress is so flexible that it can create any website for any need or niche. Divi AI brings impressive AI capabilities to WordPress through advanced AI image editing, content writing, and layout page creation. Deep Dream, a creation of Google, is an AI technology using neural networks to transform images, making them appear dreamy and surreal. It takes ordinary pictures and enhances them, bringing out patterns and shapes and producing abstract and vibrant visuals. The process involves repeatedly modifying the image to reveal the network's interpretation, resulting in unique. This AI tool enables exploration through the diverse layers within a neural network, each producing distinct visual interpretations of the input image, resulting in a range of artistic styles. It is more than enhancing images. Deep Dream's flexibility allows creative applications like generating music, composing poetry, and editing videos, showcasing its diverse range of uses in artistic endeavors. The Deep Dream AI Generator presents numerous opportunities for monetization. One highly lucrative avenue is selling custom portraits on freelancing platforms like Fiverr. By leveraging the AI-generated images, users can offer unique, personalized artworks to clients. This allows them to stand out from the competition and establish a thriving business. Additionally, expanding to other freelancing websites and exploring platforms like Etsy further broadens your potential customer base. Finally, GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered coding assistant developed by OpenAI in collaboration with GitHub. It functions as a code completion tool within integrated development environments and provides real-time suggestions, generating code snippets based on the context of the developer's work. By using machine learning, Copilot assists programmers by offering code suggestions, improving coding efficiency, and helping in the development process by predicting, generating, and completing code lines based on the task at hand. It is an adaptable tool supporting multiple coding languages, offering context-specific code suggestions and snippets to expedite development tasks. GitHub Copilot rapidly produces recurring code structures like loops, function definitions, and data arrangements, ensuring time-saving efficiency and uniformity in your code base. Developing a program involves coming up with an idea, designing it, writing the code, testing it, and finally launching it. This process can take months or even years, depending on the complexity of the product. Using GitHub Copilot can significantly speed up development tasks. It provides real-time code suggestions, automates repetitive tasks, and even helps debug your code. That is, users can develop programs faster and with fewer obvious errors. Users can monetize this tool by creating a minimum viable program and start selling it to people who need it. Also, as a coding freelancer, you can choose the tech stack you want to work with and the type of applications you want to help build. So, you could choose to develop with React for front-end web applications for small businesses needing to collect customer reviews on their website. AI should not be viewed as a mechanism for quick money, but as an important asset with financial benefits. These AI tools need zero skills before you can monetize them, as it has provided a range of tools that can be selected to enrich the financial situation of its users. These tools are available in stock to create revenue opportunities through effective and efficient implementation. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification button to be the first to see other exciting and insightful videos from us. Until next time.